How to fix Expedia app sign-in issues. It's frustrating when you can't access your travel plans, but don't worry, I'm here to help. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Expedia app sign-in issues. Let's dive in. First, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Poor connectivity is often the culprit behind sign-in issues. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if one works better, or restart your router if you're on Wi-Fi. An outdated app can cause sign-in problems. Head to the App Store or Google Play Store and check for updates. Make sure your Expedia app is up to date, as updates often include fixes for common issues. If you still can't sign in, it might be a password issue. Tap Forgot on the sign-in screen and follow the prompts to reset your password. Make sure to choose a strong, new password that you haven't used before. If still the issue persists, try uninstalling and reinstalling the Expedia app. This can help clear any corrupted files and give a fresh restart. After reinstalling, try signing in again. If none of these steps work, it's time to reach out to Expedia support. You can contact them through the app or their website for personalized help. They might be able to resolve the issue on their end. And that's how you can fix sign-in issue with the Expedia app. Hopefully, one of these solutions worked for you. If this video helped, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more helpful tech tips. Thanks for watching.